we are, a new year, a new beginning, a new gallery walk, but still a virtual gallery walk at Artist Workshop Gallery in downtown Hot Springs. Hot Springs is so pretty right now with the Christmas decorations and everything up. It's just a special, special place. And you know, if you come to Artist Workshop Gallery, it's a very special place. I'm not sure that everyone knows it's a co-op gallery of about 25 artists. And it's over 25 years old. That means they've been operating and selling art here in downtown Hot Springs to visitors and local people for over 25 years. That's really amazing that a co-op is holding together that well. And of course, we know last year was a challenge. That's why we're looking forward to this new year of 2021. It's just got to be better, right? We're all praying for that. Just look at this art. Simply amazing. Just beautiful work everywhere. Oh, it's so peaceful down here sometimes in the evening. The music is so relaxing. The paintings are so beautiful. The artwork is beautiful. It's simply a special, special place. If you've never been in here, you need to come along and see this beautiful artwork. We have just a number of unique pieces. Very talented artists that love to work with their hands and with their minds and create just fabulous works. And here is our feature artist boards. And this month and next month, that's January and February, is an all-member exhibition. So I'm not going to go up and feature any one artist because I want to encourage you to come in and see the art. As we all know, it looks so much better in person than it does on an old video that I thumb through and try to show you what we have. Here's some more just individual members showing on their panels, and we just rotated. And rotation, what that is we change out our artworks. So that means the artists are continuing to create. There's something about artists, they have to just create. It's in their blood. It's like their life isn't fulfilled unless they're creating a new work or a new piece or thinking about creating something new and different and unique. I would encourage you to come and just look and view and of course purchase. All of it's for sale at very reasonable prices. I'm sure you can find a piece that is in your price range and that is something that you would enjoy in your home. We have framed pieces. We have originals that are not framed that you can purchase. Something for everyone. We have greeting cards. This is just a quick tour for sure. Just kind of letting you see what a variety there is here. This time I gave you a full tour of the whole gallery. So, it's really a pretty good sized gallery, but it's just not quite large enough to house a reception or gallery walk reception yet. We just don't quite feel comfortable. But we're excited that vaccine should help us to where we can once again have a semi-normal life in our gallery and us artists get together. But we are open. We're open Thursday through Saturday from 11 a.m. until 5 p.m. and on Sunday from 12 noon until 5 p.m. Come give us a visit. We're down on Central Avenue, 610. You can't miss us. So the angel says, come, be strong and visit, but be safe. Thanks for viewing. Hope to see you in the gallery. Bye-bye.